Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the 10 laziest ways you can make money online. We're talking about making money while you sleep, while you eat, even while you're watching this video. If you're looking for easy ways to boost your income without breaking a sweat, this video is for you. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here, okay? This is all about legitimate ways to make some extra cash with minimal effort. Let's get started. First up, we've got online surveys. These are one of the simplest ways to make some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Imagine getting paid just for sharing your opinion. It's like having a casual conversation, but with the added bonus of earning money. That's what online surveys are all about. Companies want to know what you think about their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your feedback. Your opinions help them improve and innovate. There are tons of websites and apps out there that will pay you to take surveys. Some popular ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. Each platform has its own unique features and payout methods. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be rolling in dough just by taking surveys, but it's an easy way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Think of it as a way to supplement your income. Maybe cover a few small expenses or save up for something special. You can do it while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or even on the toilet. It's all about making the most of those little pockets of time throughout your day. Just sign up for a few reputable survey sites, fill out your profile, and start sharing those opinions. Make sure to provide accurate information in your profile to get matched with surveys that are relevant to you. Once you're signed up, you'll start receiving survey invitations via email or app notifications. Be sure to check regularly so you don't miss out on opportunities. Surveys can vary in length and complexity. Some might take just a few minutes, while others could take up to half an hour. The longer the survey, the more you'll typically earn. Many survey sites reward you with points that can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or other prizes. It's a flexible way to earn, and you can choose the rewards that suit you best. Keep track of your earnings and set goals for yourself. Whether it's a small treat or a bigger purchase, having a target can make the process more rewarding. And don't forget to share your experiences with friends and family. They might be interested in earning some extra cash too. Plus, some survey sites offer referral bonuses, so you can earn even more by inviting others to join. So if you're looking for a simple and flexible way to make a bit of extra money, give online surveys a try. It's a fun and easy way to turn your opinions into cash. Next up, we've got cashback apps. You know how you're always spending money online anyway? Well, cashback apps give you money back for those purchases. It's like getting a discount on everything you buy. There are a bunch of different cashback apps out there, but they all work pretty much the same way. You just link your credit or debit card to the app, and then when you shop online or in-store at participating retailers, you earn cash back on your purchases. It's that easy. Okay, this one might be the laziest one yet. You can actually get paid to watch videos online. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. There are websites and apps that will pay you to watch videos, ads, and other content. Now, you're not going to get rich doing this, but it's a super easy way to make a little extra cash on the side. Just sign up for a few different platforms, start watching, and rack up those rewards. Chapter 4. Turn your photos into cash. Have you got a knack for photography? Do you find yourself capturing moments wherever you go? Whether it's a stunning sunset, a bustling city street, or a candid shot of your friends and family. Even if you just like taking pictures with your phone, you can actually sell those photos online and make some passive income. Yes, you heard that right. Your everyday snapshots can turn into a steady stream of cash. Websites called stock photo sites are always looking for new images to add to their collections. These platforms cater to a wide range of clients, from bloggers and marketers to designers and businesses, all in need of fresh, high-quality images. Just upload your photos to a few different stock photo websites, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. The more platforms you use, the higher your chances of making sales. And then every time someone downloads one of your photos, you get paid. It's that simple. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales while you sleep, knowing that your creativity is earning you money around the clock. It's a great way to make money from your hobby, turning your passion into profit. Plus, it can be incredibly rewarding to see your work being used by people all over the world. And you don't even have to do any extra work once the photos are uploaded. The initial effort of taking and uploading the photos is all it takes. After that, you can sit back, relax, and watch the earnings roll in. So why not give it a try? Start turning your photos into cash today. Chapter 5. Make money in your sleep. Affiliate marketing is where it's at if you want to make money while you sleep. Basically, you promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best part is you don't have to create your own products, deal with customer service, or any of that stuff. You just find products you love, share them with your audience, and let the commissions roll in. Chapter 6. Your car could be a money-making machine. Got a car just sitting in your driveway most of the time? Put it to work and make some money off it. With apps like Turo, you can rent out your car to other people when you're not using it. It's like Airbnb, but for cars. You set your own rates, choose your availability, and screen potential renters. It's a great way to offset the cost of car ownership or even make a little extra cash on the side. Chapter 7. Turn your knowledge into profit. If you've got knowledge to share, why not package it up into a digital product and sell it online? The digital age has opened up endless opportunities for individuals to monetize their expertise. Whether you're an expert in cooking, fitness, finance, or any other field, there's a market out there eager to learn from you. You could create an ebook, which is a fantastic way to compile your knowledge into a comprehensive guide. Ebooks are popular because they are easy to distribute and can be read on various devices, or perhaps an online course where you can provide step-by-step instructions and engage with your audience through video lessons. Printables, such as planners or worksheets, are also in high demand and can be a quick way to offer value. The possibilities are endless. You can create templates, software, music, art, or any other type of digital product that people would find valuable. The key is to identify what you know well and how it can solve a problem or fulfill a need for others. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on your own website, through social media, or on various online marketplaces. Building a website can give you full control over your brand and customer experience. Alternatively, platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are excellent for reaching a broader audience without the need for extensive marketing efforts. These platforms have built-in customer bases and tools to help you manage sales. It's a great way to earn passive income, as digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional work. Once your product is live, it can generate revenue while you focus on other projects or simply enjoy your free time. Imagine receiving notifications of sales while you're sleeping or reading positive feedback from satisfied customers. Watching your sales charts grow can be incredibly rewarding and motivating, so start brainstorming, create your digital product, and turn your knowledge into profit today. Chapter 8. Sell products you never touch. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, list products from a dropshipping supplier, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You never have to touch the product, deal with shipping, or handle any of the logistics. All you have to do is focus on marketing and customer service. Chapter 9. Get paid to write. If you enjoy writing, you can actually get paid to do it from the comfort of your own home. There are tons of websites and businesses that are always looking for freelance writers to create content for them. You could write blog posts, articles, website copy, social media captions, and more. Freelance writing is a great way to make money online because it's flexible. You can set your own hours, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Chapter 10. Be a virtual assistant. Last but not least, we've got virtual assisting. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from remote locations. You could do anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating social media graphics and writing blog posts. Virtual assisting is a great option for people who are organized, detail-oriented, and have strong communication skills. And there you have it, folks. 10 of the laziest ways to make money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video.